I let it fall, my heart. And does it feel you rose to clay?